How to delete an item from your shopping cart in Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to empty your Walmart shopping cart or delete an item from your shopping cart since you are no longer trying to purchase it, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your laptop and type in walmart.com and search. Once you're inside this official web page of Walmart, make sure that you're logged into your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're inside, straightly go to the cart icon at the top right corner, click on that, and then you'll be able to see your cart with items in it. Go ahead and delete any item you want by clicking the remove button right next to the item. Repeat this step for removing any other item from your cart, and that's it. Your shopping cart is now empty. That is how you can clear out your shopping cart or delete items from your shopping cart in walmart.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.